The lie is that your politeness is a virtue. The trap is that by becoming agreeable, you have become invisible. The law is that status is never given to those who wait for permission to exist. Look in the mirror. If you are always the one listening, always the one nodding, you are not being a good person. You are being erased. We dismantle the architecture of the polite ghost. You feel the power leak every time you swallow a thought to keep the peace. You feel the status threat when your presence in a room carries the same weight as the furniture. You aren't being humble. You are participating in your own social suicide. The diagnosis is clinical. You are suffering from malignant agreeableness. You believe your silence is a strategic choice, but in reality, it is a biological surrender. By constantly nodding, by swallowing your dissent, you have initiated a process of social liquefaction. You are no longer a participant in the room. You are the background noise. They don't see you. This is the power leak in its purest form. The polite ghost is not a person of character. It is a creature that has been denuded of every subjective trimming. You are not being virtuous. You are being processed. The mechanism of erasure is biological, but the exit is strategic. It is rooted in the Fawn Response, a primitive adaptation gone wrong. Nature knows two ways, the prolific and the devouring. When you fawn, you attempt to survive by becoming a docile lamb in a world of friendly wolves. You have replaced effective action with aggressive adjustment. You have become banality. To stop the erasure, you must execute 3 strategic moves. Status is not a gift. It is an extraction. Step 1. Enter action with boldness. Timidity is a contagion. If you are ignored, it is because you have not courted attention. Make one move that is deliberately unpredictable. Scramble the group's perception of you. Step 2. Establish a controlled absence. Too much presence breeds disdain. Withdraw your agreeable energy. Force them to feel the void where your compliance used to be. Scarcity creates value. Step 3. The mirror effect. Stop fawning. Mirror their power moves back to them. If they treat you as furniture, treat them as air. The sovereign does not ask for room. The sovereign is the room. If you are ready to dismantle the weakness, initiate the shadow protocol below. The work is yours to do.